sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. This 7-passenger van leads among competitors in its segment. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized comfort and style by including delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop in and take a test drive.